I'm Ken. Jen's my little sister. We're playing a pretend game. I'm busy cooking. Jen wants to know what I'm making. A chocolate cake, I say. This is going to be a yummy cake. I crumble some dirt. Jen says, "Me too." So I let her be my helper. I tell Jen to dribble the water. But she pours it fast. Uh-oh. She makes mush. I fix the cake with sand. I add nuts and berries. Jen adds leaves. Jen mixes and stirs. Then it will be my turn. Mix and stir. Stir and mix. Cake in the pan. Pan in the sun. Now it's baking. Mommy, Daddy, I call. The cake is done. Come and see. I want a big piece, says Mommy. Me too, says Daddy. Jen says, "You eat cake. I want a donut." Mommy gives Jen a donut. I get one too. 2 donuts. One for Ken. One for Jen. Happy eating. The end.
If you don't have Vooks, what are you waiting for? It's a kid-safe, ad-free library full of so many storybooks that are brought to life. Ask your grown-up and start exploring more fun stories like these. You have to go and ask for Vooks. Enjoy the specialties of this app right here. Go on, come on, go off.
Thanks for watching. For more stories, try the Vooks app for free today.